need to hear this if you're a home cook. Ready to transform your meals with some killer cooking techniques? Boiling. It's as simple as it sounds. Toss your food in boiling water, and you're good to go. Steaming. Think of it as a spa for your veggies. They get all the heat, none of the water logging. Baking is your go-to for bread and sweets. Dry heat. Lots of yum. Roasting takes baking up a notch, perfect for that juicy chicken. Grilling? It's like a barbecue party, smoky, charred goodness. Broiling flips the heat, think upside-down grilling. Frying adds that crispy crunch. Deep fry, shallow fry, stir fry, take your pick. Sautéing is like frying speedier cousin, quick and tasty. Poaching keeps things gentle, ideal for eggs. Braising and stewing, slow and steady wins the race. Smoking, low and slow for that deep flavor. And microwaving, for those I need it now moments. Each method spices up your dishes differently. So, experiment and find your faves. Happy cooking!